Birds in nature of planet. Birds are a diverse and fascinating group of animals found all over the planet. From the polar regions to the tropics. There are over 10,000 species of birds, and they play vital roles in various ecosystems. From pollinating plants to controlling insect populations. Here are some interesting facts about birds in the natural world. Habitats. Birds can be found in a wide range of habitats, including forests, grasslands, wetlands, deserts, mountains, and coastal areas. Migration. Many birds are known for their impressive migration patterns. They travel thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. Birds of prey. Raptors are birds of prey, such as eagles, hawks, and owls. Waterfowl. Waterfowl, including ducks, geese, and swans, are adapted to life in aquatic environments. Conservation. Many bird species are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss. Pollution, climate change, and other human activities. Birds are not only ecologically important but also hold cultural end. Aesthetic value for people around the world. Please subscribe our channel.